UpNote is being promoted as a simple, clean solution to organize all your notes. But the real question is whether it actually improves productivity or just another basic note app. Now, the idea behind this isn't completely fake. UpNote is a real, highly rated note-taking app with strong cross-platform support and a focus on simplicity. However, here's the key point. It's excellent for simple organization, but limited for advanced workflows. There are some clear positives. UpNote offers clean, distraction-free interface that's easy to use, strong organization with notebooks, tags, and note linking, fast syncing across devices with offline access, affordable pricing, including a one-time lifetime option. Many users like it because it avoids the complexity of tools like Notion. That said, there are some downsides. First, limited advanced features. It lacks databases, deep customization, and collaboration tools that power users may need. Second, free version is restricted. You're limited to around 50 notes unless you upgrade. Third, missing features for some users. Common complaints include no full web version and slower feature updates. So, is UpNote the solution to organizing your notes? It's a great solution for simple personal note-taking, but not an all-in-one productivity system. The bottom line is this. UpNote is worth it if you want something fast, clean, and focused, but if you need advanced features or team collaboration, it may feel too limited. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.